This is the Bunjo show. This is not your show. I traded the 905 for G-O-O-O. This is Bunjo show. Wow. I'm out here in Split, Croatia. I'm going for a burger, maybe at McDonald's here. McDonald's is this way. Here you got all the signs. You got the Radisson, the hotels, the art pavilions, everything. So let's go. It's not my first rodeo here. And yeah, this is basically the secret way, the entrance. It's windy as hell out today. But here it is. Look at the apartment buildings. Yeah, it's windy. Sorry for the wind. Let me cut it out. Look at all the split art. Hajduk split. It's like a wind tunnel. Jeez, man. Look at this. Here's the Joker Mall, see? This is the big mall here. Look at more Hajduk split art. The Joker Mall. And let's go inside here. I'll show you. Is this? Whew, it's freezing. It's a cold one today, and it was way hotter 2 weeks ago. Now it's cold again. I don't get it. So we're entering the mall. Oh my god, I'm scared. You see this guy looks like a regular ass mall, and I'm gonna buy an adapter for my headphones and my microphone so I can try to work both of them at the same time. And yeah, I'll get back to you when I find the store. And this is the mall in Croatia, well, in Split. Here's the bathrooms. Yes, those are the bathrooms. I don't know. I'll just give you a quick mall tour. Why not? So you still can't. You still can't have coffee or stuff inside. I don't know why. See, everything's closed. Everything's closed still, see? And there it is. 5 floors. Obviously you gotta have your McDonald's here. Everything's closed, but you're still allowed to shop. You can't have a coffee, but you're allowed to shop. I don't understand it. Yeah, this is the dollar store, the equivalent to a dollar store here. I'm getting a cat water and a cat bowl. Look at, they got all the cheap little tools. Everything, it stretches out. Croatian dollar store. So I just left the computer store. I got my USB and my microphone jack ready for to do the lives. And everything's closed in the mall. You can't sit down and eat. So I mean, it's kind of brutal in there. It's weird. You can go to work out in a gym, but you can't sit down and have a coffee. I mean, you can squat on your buddy's face, but coffee, no. You only can squat on your buddy's face. And here's the street. So this street's like the main road, and it leads up to and there's all the buses, and this is like the bus terminals up this way, and so is Diocletian's palace. So this is like, I don't know, this is like the main part where all the locals go and shop and work and everything. So basically that's it. And yeah, I'll get back to you when I hit the bus station. And also and we'll do a little walk around in the Diocletian's palace, look at all the monuments, and wow. Yeah, but all the outdoor cafes are open like this, see? But you're not allowed to sit indoors still. So it's a little bit still slow from the corona. I mean, it's getting back to normal, but I heard they're gonna close a month. So they're gonna close the month of April so they can be fully prepared and no complications for the summer, because that's their big money season. So basically that's how it happens. They want to prepare and make sure that the people don't lose their money. So that's pretty cool, right? Now we're edging closer. There's the bus to Omish. That's the one I gotta take. Damn, looks nice. The eco bus. Yeah, see, look at all the old structures, the old roofs, the old way of building. It's kind of romantic. And you got this guy, some street art. Hajduk split, of course, right? That's how we do it. Always Hajduk. I like these old houses. This is what I wish I would stay with and stick with. I mean, there's probably a reason why they don't stick with this kind of structure. Probably because it's not energy sufficient. You know, that's probably it. Too many airwaves in the summer trying to leak in, you know. I don't know how it works though. Progressive street sign here. Someone drew a skirt. Maybe this guy's confused about his sexual orientation. I think it's quite confusing, but very progressive, as Harold would say. And yeah, you know, like so there's, you know how I always tell you there's lots of wars and stuff, and a lot of people have this misconception of it being a war-torn country, right? But here's the Diocletian Park we're at. Been here before with you guys. And usually bombs, they cause so much destruction. They ruin families and stuff. But I found a bomb here that actually just gets rid of dehydration. Look at this. It's a bomb fountain. It's pretty cool, huh? And then it goes into this little... And then at the end here, you can turn on the fountain and have a drink. And usually all these this little walkway here is filled with these guys that sell war memorabilia. And I was really gonna come here and ask for some. I wanted to get prices and buy something maybe, but I guess they're not here. You know, support the locals. And yeah, look at it. This is Diocletian's palace. See, it's fortified walls and everything. That's basically it. Yeah, lots of history through that baby. I see the man's getting a drink now. This is what it leaks up to. And you turn this fountain on, and that's it. You get a drink. Pretty cool, right? Damn. Yeah, here's a statue of Neen. This brass toe here, you're supposed to rub it and wish for something, and basically it's good luck. With the statue of Neen, I think it's built by some Gregorski Neen, and he basically built it. So here it is right here. Look at it. It's a pretty tall statue. This guy used to be like this guy was a pope or a priest or something, and he was helping rule this area with Diocletian, and they used to chop people's heads off in the name of Jesus Christ. So it's like Jesus and the religious views here, like especially Roman Catholicism, had some dark history behind it, because it's like they believe in God, but yet they're chopping people's heads off. It's crazy, right? And here's the gates, the entrance, the Diocletian's palace. Look how nice the architecture is. Colin Clark, my co-host for Average Joe podcast. You'll appreciate this. Look at this. Look at people have their terrace up there, and they just live, and they're growing wine, grapes I mean, but for wine probably. And then you got scriptures here. Yeah, look how cool it is, huh? And they got obviously the bricks that fortified the walls again. So here we go. It's like basically a maze. See? And then yeah, it's pretty cool, I think. I don't know. It's just a little maze of stores and nooks and crannies selling fudge cakes and sausages. There's not much going on here. Everything's closed. Well, I'm hoping, but it's like kind of dead. It's like a wind tunnel. Here's a t-shirt that has a necktie on it because Croatians invented a necktie. Yeah, they have lots of little souvenirs for everybody, so they'll please everybody here. And here's the main square. Yeah, that's the guard tower me and Mickey were on in one of my earlier videos. We kissed up there and got a little BJ. What a good girl. And yeah, and you can sit here, have a drink on the cushions, I think. I don't know if it's open. Yeah, look at this structure. Oh, here's all the pieces that they bury, unburied from Solone. Remember that amphitheater I was at? Yeah, so they have all this stuff. They took it out of the ground. And look at all the history. Look at all the old fortified walls. It's pretty beautiful here. There's lots of history, and it's a must visit. Diocletian's Palace. I think everybody visits. I don't know how many videos there are of this place, but look at it. It's magical. And let's go check out the... So down here you got the Temple of Jupiter. Look, yeah, they have structures holding it because it looks like the walls are buckling kind of from all the earthquakes maybe, or just from the pure age of this place and the history, you know. But look, I think the walls, they put these structures here to maintain the walls so they don't crumble upon us when we're walking through. Oh, here, oh, this is pretty cool. This is a sphinx from Egypt, a gift from Egypt to Diocletian, and to show their loyalty right here. And of course the Temple of Jupiter is basically where they bury people. They have these in it, the old caskets, and yeah, and they buried the guy in here. And it's pretty cool. They have all these little heads. It's in one of my early videos with Mickey. If you look at it, I go on the tour of all the buildings here. Me and Mickey do, and you get to see all the little heads carved into the ceilings and all the artwork. It's amazing. You guys gotta check it out. Woo! Let's see this place. Look at all this rock. Damn. Not much here, but we'll go this way. Damn. See, like you can get lost in here. Brother can get lost. Call the cops. We're lost. Yeah. There's enjoying a nice tea. Nice coffee. Told you I could get lost. It's a dead end. But they're just, I think that's their personal property, and they're just having a tea. And I'm not invited. There's a sphinx, the real sphinx with the one with its head still. The other one had no head, but this one has a head. That's a gift to Diocletian as well, but that one's clearly in better, way better condition, you know what I mean? So it's pretty good. Whew. And now look at this beautiful structure. Watch out for that wet. Someone leaked out their anal. Look at this. That looks like your butthole, Colin. Look at all this beautiful structure. Look at this. It's crazy, huh? Like, who had the idea to build this, huh? That's what I'm wondering, like, I just have this whole place to myself. You know, it's crazy. Oh yeah, man, it's like the person that had this, they just thought different back then. So like, let's just pile a whole bunch of rocks together and make some butthole shaped observatory kind of. It's wild. I like it. I like what they did. Whew. Yeah, it's a ghost town here. Damn. Is it like something I don't know about? Like when I'd be here or something? Damn, what is this? Lots of construction. See how they're fortifying it again? Rebuilding everything? I guess they have to. This is all clearly brand new. This is not the original. This is secondhand. Oh, look at it. That's a revo from up top. Don't worry, we'll be there in a second. Here's all the artists and all the buy souvenirs. I think this is in Game of Thrones, where that the girl had her dragons kept, so you can see by the ceilings and stuff. I don't know, I never watched the show, but here it is. See, almost all the booths are closed now. As you can see, no tourists. Why would they stay open? Doesn't make sense. Look at this, imagine having rough sex against these doors. Damn, bro. Yeah, so now it comes out to the Riva, the split, which is beautiful. And there's where we just were up top. Remember peeking out the windows over there? And this is dead, it's ghost town here. But then again, you can at least you can have drinks on the beach, and I mean not on the beach, if by the water. You can have them at the bars and everything. So I might grab a beer like I usually do at the old olive tree. Why not, huh? Look at this. On this beautiful sunny day. It's not. See over there? That's where you wait for the boat to go to Trogir from Split to Slatine. Look at these two little lovebirds. And there's Marian Hill. I like how beautiful my background is. Damn, I look good in this, eh? It's like Miami City, but in Europe. Damn. And not bummy. Look at it all. It's beautiful. Look at the LED street lights. They're solar powered. Energy sufficient. And yeah, basically, yeah, there's the port of Split. And I'm gonna go to that bar over there and have a beer. And up there is Marian Hill, and you got Joe's Beach on the other side of it. And it's pretty cool. I went there before. It's a long ass walk up to the top, I'll tell you that. And look at this place, the British consulate. That's what this is called. Damn. So I'm at Viva's bar right here, and now this word said I'm having an ojusko, and this is the end of the vlog, I think. And yeah, man, not much going on here. It's like ghost town. But thanks for watching. Always subscribe, share, and like, and buy a t-shirt at www.thisisbunjo.com. 17 kunas, which is $3. Now let's do a taste test. Like I haven't tried this before. Damn, it's good. Hey guys, this is the hospital in Split. This is the COVID part. Look how busy it is. This was on a Sunday. Ooh, COVID must be so dangerous. Let's shut everything down. How come COVID gets a day off if it's so dangerous? That's all I'm wondering. Look at the hazmat suits and... Oh, where is everybody? Wait a minute, it's closed on the weekends? But I got COVID. I'm trying to get fixed. I'm trying to get better. Don't let daddy die. How about little Cheryl? We gonna save little Cheryl or no? Look at this. It's a ghost town in this COVID lounge. Oh my goodness. Like what are we shutting everything down for? Look how all these numbers are so inflated clearly. Damn.